Welcome back everyone. Today, let's talk about the 2026 Nissan GT-R, a futuristic powerhouse built for precision, speed, and control. Equipped with an all-wheel drive system, this machine dominates any road condition, whether it's sharp corners or high-speed straightaways. Its twin-turbocharged 3.8 liters V6 engine delivers an impressive 565 horsepower, 6,800 RPM, and 467 pounds-ft of torque at 3,300 RPM, ensuring quick acceleration and seamless power distribution. Paired with a 6-speed auto-shift manual transmission, it offers precise gear changes for peak performance. Long-distance travel is effortless with its 19.5-gallon fuel tank, providing a highway range of up to 429 miles. With an EPA rating of 22 mpg on the highway, efficiency meets power, making it ideal for extended drives without frequent fuel stops. The adaptive suspension enhances ride comfort, absorbing road imperfections while maintaining stability at high speeds. On the exterior, the 2026 Nissan GT-R showcases a bold and futuristic front grille, enhancing aerodynamics while maintaining aggressive styling. The cohesive wing spoiler improves downforce, ensuring maximum traction and stability. Sitting on 20-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in performance tires, this car grips the road with precision, making every turn sharp and controlled. Inside, the driver-focused cockpit is designed for performance and luxury. The dashboard is finished in dark beige, complemented by silver ambient lighting that accentuates the door panels and center console. The leather seats feature a combination of dark beige, gray metallic, and white stitching, providing both comfort and elegance. The rack-pinion steering ensures responsive handling, while the compact yet advanced digital display keeps all essential driving information at your fingertips. When compared to its rivals, the 2026 Nissan GT-R stands out with its all-wheel drive capability, ensuring superior traction and handling in all conditions. The lightweight yet rigid chassis improves acceleration and braking, while the aerodynamic refinements enhance speed without compromising control. Safety is a top priority, featuring 4-wheel disc brakes with a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system, ensuring precise stopping power even at high speeds. The double wishbone front suspension and multi-link rear suspension provide stability, making every drive smooth and controlled. With a turning radius of 36.6 feet, maneuvering tight spaces is effortless, making it practical for everyday use as well. The 2026 Nissan GT-R is a perfect blend of power, technology, and luxury, built for those who demand performance without compromise. Let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing car content.